My name is Ryan Jarvis, and I am a ward-based caterer in Cardiff and Vale University Health Board. Ward-based caterers play a key role in keeping patients fed and hydrated throughout their stay in hospital. Eating well is such an important part of any hospital stay, and it plays a vital part in aiding the patient's recovery. As a ward-based caterer, I'm often the first face a patient sees in the morning. When bringing the patient their teas and coffees, I always ensure to have a smile on my face and provide a polite and courteous service to all. My daily duties consist of liaising with staff to ensure the patient's needs are met, serving drinks to patients and preparing and serving their meals. I ensure that the service I provide is safe, in accordance with service standards and all current food safety legislation. My role enables me to meet a variety of people. You get to know the patients, their preferences and requirements. This really helps us to make this day as comfortable as possible. I work in a great team. There's a strong sense of commitment from everyone. The team is extremely helpful and supportive. The most fulfilling part of my role is knowing that I have contributed to making the patient's stay that little bit more comfortable. I love seeing how happy and satisfied they are by making their favourite drink just how they like it, or just by having a chat with the patient in the course of my work. This is one of the reasons I stay. I have never had a job before where I wake up at 5:30 in the morning and actually look forward to the day ahead. 3 words I would use to describe my workplace: varied, rewarding, and satisfying. We are the NHS. Choose catering.